Former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo is testifying before a House panel today over his administration's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. In a report, the Republican-led subcommittee criticized how Cuomo handled nursing home patients who contracted COVID, and they accused the former governor of staging a cover-up of his administration's response. Cuomo's spokesperson says the report found no evidence of wrongdoing, calling it partisan and built on uncorroborated testimony. CBS News New York anchor and reporter Jessica Moore is following this for us. Jessica, what is Cuomo's policy? What was it at the time that's coming under scrutiny?
Well, Lindsay, critics say it all started with the governor's March 25th, 2020 must admit order. That required all state nursing homes and senior care facilities to admit COVID positive patients. About 9,000 COVID positive patients were admitted, leading to 15,000 COVID deaths among nursing home patients. And then there's the alleged cover up. New York Attorney General Letitia James issued a report saying that the Cuomo administration may have undercounted nursing home deaths by as much as 50%. House investigators say then Governor Cuomo knew how bad the situation was, and he directly manipulated the data to make it seem less severe. And they say he now owes 15,000 families an apology and an explanation.
What are we expecting to hear at this hearing? And also, you've been speaking with loved ones who are directly impacted by this order. What are they telling you?
Well, they blame Andrew Cuomo. I spoke with two women, both of whom lost their parents, one mother, one father, in nursing homes due to COVID. They had both gone in for fairly simple surgeries, and they were rehabbing at these senior care facilities. As soon as this order was passed, the COVID positive patients started coming in. Within weeks, both of their parents had died. They say, is it going to be difficult to sit a few feet away from the man that we blame for our parents' deaths? Yes. Do we have to do it? And the reason they told me they did was because they have to be the voice for the 15,000 people who no longer have a voice because of this policy. One of the women I spoke with said, we don't expect to see Andrew Cuomo end up in prison over this, but we do hope this public shaming of him in front of this congressional subcommittee will make future politicians, future leaders think twice before they make what they call a reckless decision. Lindsay?
Jessica Moore, thank you.